How to search for question mark in Excel. When I try to find a question mark character in an Excel sheet, Excel cannot locate the cells containing them. How can I search for question mark in Excel?
To search for the cells containing the question mark character, use a tilde before it inside the search box. Now Excel will show you only the cells that contain the question mark character.
The question mark is a wildcard which represents a single character, and the asterisk is a wildcard character that represents any string of characters. When searching for either wildcard character, Excel will simply find everything, whether or not these actual characters appear in the cells you're searching. To find either of the specific characters, when not using them in a wildcard search, you must precede it in your search criteria with a tilde, the character. Question mark finds only the question mark character. Asterisk finds only the asterisk character. Question mark finds all single characters. Asterisk finds all strings of characters.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.